From dust to splash, the bird bath transformation. High above the treetops, amidst the branches and across the dusty plains, birds perform rituals as ancient as the skies themselves. They clean, preen, and purify, but not as you might expect. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey to explore the contrasting worlds of dust bathing and water splashing, two extraordinary and essential habits in the life of a bird. For birds, cleanliness is more than vanity, it's survival. A clean plumage is key to flight, insulation, and camouflage. But how birds achieve this varies dramatically. Some seek out dry, dusty patches of earth, while others dive headfirst into shimmering pools of water. These two rituals, dust bathing and water splashing, are as different as the birds that practice them. But why do they do it? And what secrets lie within these seemingly simple acts? Let us begin with the dust bath, a practice as old as the plains themselves. Picture a parched landscape, where water is scarce and the sun beats relentlessly. Here, many birds, like sparrows, finches, and pheasants, rely on dust to keep their feathers pristine. As they land on the earth, they throw themselves into fine soil, using their wings to toss the particles over their backs. They twist, turn, and shake, an intricate dance designed to reach every feather. But why dust? Unlike water, fine particles of earth penetrate deep into the feathers, absorbing excess oil and dislodging parasites such as mites and lice. It's a natural exfoliation process, leaving their plumage light, airy, and well-maintained. Dust bathing is particularly common among birds living in arid environments, where water's a luxury, not a given. Dust bathing is often a social affair. Birds gather in groups, sharing the safety of numbers while they engage in this vulnerable activity. For a brief moment, the dusty ground becomes a stage for survival, community, and ritual. Narrator. Now let us turn to water, the splash, the shimmer, the life giver. Where water is abundant, birds revel in its cool embrace. From tiny finches dipping in puddles to mighty eagles washing in rivers, water splashing is an act of rejuvenation. But for birds, it's more than a bath. It's an immersion into survival. Water serves a dual purpose. It not only cleanses the feathers of dirt and debris, but also keeps them flexible and waterproof. Birds like ducks and swans rely on the natural oils produced by their bodies to maintain the waterproofing of their plumage. Washing in water helps them redistribute these oils, ensuring they can glide effortlessly across lakes and rivers without becoming waterlogged. Unlike dust baths, water splashing is often a solitary activity. Birds approach it with caution, scanning their surroundings for predators before dipping in. The sight of a bird shaking off water droplets is not only mesmerizing, but also a powerful display of their adaptability to different environments. Though dust bathing and water splashing seem worlds apart, they share a common goal: maintaining the intricate machinery of a bird's feathers. These rituals are shaped by the environment, dictated by necessity, and perfected by evolution. Dust bathing is a gift from the earth, water splashing a gift from the skies. Together, they illustrate the adaptability of birds, their resourcefulness in the face of challenges, and their ability to turn survival into art. But the story doesn't end here. In the upcoming videos, we'll delve even deeper into the science behind these habits, exploring how different species adapt their cleaning rituals to their environments. From the tiniest songbirds to the grandest eagles, the world of avian hygiene is as varied as the birds themselves. So next time you see a bird roll in the dust or dive into a pool, remember, it's not just cleaning. It's a testament to their ingenuity, a reflection of their resilience, and a glimpse into the wondrous lives of the feathered creatures that share our world.